Every day, millions of people struggle to see distant objects clearly. Signs look blurry, lights scatter, and the world loses its sharpness. This condition is called myopia, or nearsightedness. But today, modern science offers a solution that takes only minutes and can change your vision for life. In a myopic eye, light doesn't land on the retina where it should. It lands in front of it. Why? Because the cornea is too curved, or the eyeball is slightly too long. LASIK corrects this by reshaping your cornea, so light focuses perfectly again. Before LASIK begins, your eye is mapped with incredible detail. Advanced scanners create a 3D model of your cornea, its thickness, its curves, even microscopic imperfections. This ensures the laser knows exactly what to correct and exactly how much to reshape. You don't feel pain during LASIK. Just a few drops of anesthetic completely numb the surface of your eye. No needles, no injections. Just a cool, calming sensation that takes effect within seconds. A small, gentle device holds your eyelids open so you cannot blink. Then, a vacuum ring stabilizes your eye. For a few seconds, your vision may dim, but this simply means your eye is perfectly still, ready for precision. Now, the first laser begins, the femtosecond laser. It creates a paper-thin flap on the surface of your cornea, not with a blade, but with millions of microscopic laser pulses forming a smooth layer. This flap is gently lifted, revealing the inner corneal tissue where the real correction happens. Next comes the excimer laser, the star of LASIK. This cold, ultraviolet laser removes microscopic layers of corneal tissue. It doesn't burn, it doesn't cut. It vaporizes cells with absolute precision, measured in microns. For myopia, the laser makes the cornea slightly flatter, allowing light to travel deeper and land exactly on the retina. Even if your eye moves a little, the laser follows. A high-speed tracking system checks your eye's position thousands of times per second. If your eye shifts too far, the laser stops instantly. This is what makes LASIK both safe and incredibly accurate. Once the reshaping is complete, the surgeon lowers the corneal flap back into place. It seals naturally. No stitches, no glue. The edges smooth out within minutes, and the flap becomes secure as healing begins. Within minutes, your vision starts to return. The world looks brighter, clearer, sharper. There may be a little blur or sensitivity, but by the next morning, most people see better than they ever imagined. LASIK doesn't just correct vision. It restores clarity, confidence, and the freedom to see life without relying on glasses or contacts. In total, LASIK reshapes only a tiny amount of tissue, often less than the thickness of a human hair. But this microscopic change transforms the eye's optical system completely. That's the power of precision laser medicine. This is EverHealth, where science becomes understanding and complex procedures become clear, step by step. Your vision is precious, and now you know exactly how LASIK works to bring it back into focus.